لك محمد، لك شو هيك انت؟ شو قلت لك؟ بدي لا اسمع شوي، اسمع wait I have hold on. Paradis, I'm waiting for you, look what I have the Boeing. حبيبي, you bring me gypsy, I say halal gypsy only, بس Paradis is coming, خلاص مسلم. خلاص Allah is watching, Allah comes to my boy. ما شاء الله. كم مرة لازم أقول لك؟ لا خلاص ما بدي خلاص حاجة. I'm thinking about you always حبيبي, my heart is so big. So I have a plan for you, but we cannot tell your wife, okay? لك دقيت. شو أنت؟ شو قصتك؟ شو I ask you to bring 5 gypsies, you bring me 1, How much I do for your family? How much I do? How much? Yes. Yo, come now, wash my feet, They're very dirty. You have to come now, because if I don't get you to come now, the gypsies will be spoiled. Yes, I get some gypsies for you. All of them halal. So Allah will be very happy with you and with me, and your wife also. She will not come to the Boeing. It's not a place for very good, nice ladies. Halal, only halal gypsy. You know? Only the best. Who is this? حبيبتي wasta. Come, I want to put your head in my. شو بدك؟ لا خلاص بس. I talked to this gypsy. She's so nice, She make a massage for you in the Boeing. حبيبتي in the Boeing. اوف. يلا حبيبي the Boeing. Come on now the Boeing. وبعدين شو؟ لا خلاص ما بدي اياهم. خلاص. I have a big gift for your wife. Yes. You know what I put inside? A big gold chain. Yes. With a tracking system, so you can always find her, but she doesn't know. It's behind the Quran. I put the chip. Very expensive, Ammar, I told you to bring 3 goats, Why you only bring me 1? حبيبي اسمع شوي, I send the driver for you. Now he's coming. Look, Paradis, my wasta. Where are you, حبيبي? Come, I miss you. شو حبيبي شو حبيبي شو حبيبي, I bring the Boeing. It's the biggest one yet, Ahmed, who treats you so well? حبيبي, come, we make party. محمد. لا حبيبي, only bring the camels if they have milk, okay? خلاص. Organic camel milk, You need to have this wasta juice ready to go. You know, everybody needs a wasta juice. You can't. Wasta حبيبتي. شو? Come to the Boeing, حبيبي شو? We make a nice massage for your feet. These gypsies are the best massage. The best. Only halal حبيبي, only halal. شو هاد؟ So good for the Arab Persian soul, I'm waiting for you so long. I call you 5 times. الله بحبك, يلا حبيبي انت حبيبي. باي. خلاص حبيبي, they are getting the Dom Perignon, okay? You know what I bring right now? I have 3 gypsies coming. Keeps her on the leash, you know? شو أنا? Don't tell your wife anything. I send the driver now. How much I do for you? حبيبي شو, I'm joking. خلاص, anything for you. يلا come. champagne on the ice, and I bring Pepsi and hummus. I'm starting to think maybe I should, send you a bomb threat. Why don't you come see me? Huh? يلا حبيبي, don't make enemies. يلا. Okay? Bring me these 2 ducks, huh? That's all I ask. Just 2. بس. Okay? ايه خلاص. Don't call me ever. حبيبي. So much I do for you, huh? You can't come give me a foot massage, huh? I'm joking, حبيبي. يلا come, you have massage from Gypsy, not from me. Sure. I am wasta. Wasta does nothing, huh? The best. Come see me, حبيبي. Come be with your wasta.